National Weather Service has issued it.
What if a disaster strikes your business? It's not a pleasant thought. Often some consideration has been given to the idea, but usually not enough. Half a plan is virtually worthless, and many of America's disaster recovery plans only satisfy the auditors. You need one that works.
My name is Lance Thompson, President of Baseline Data Services.
Helping banks succeed in disaster recovery is our specialty.
We have a perfect track record, 100%. That didn't happen by accident.
And it's a big reason why Burroughs and Baseline Data Services have joined together to provide a complete disaster recovery solution that you can trust.
Trust. We don't take it lightly. Ours is built upon both companies' years of experience in IT operations and a relationship that can only be built over time.
The management folks at Burroughs have done their due diligence. Before partnering with Baseline, they confirmed our extensive DR experience and our perfect service record, performing in nearly 100 confirmed disasters. Data. Information and the technology to drive it. This is the engine of business and the asset we protect.
We guide our customers through a complete plan, starting with online data protection, using i365's eVault. Allow us to back up your critical data every day.
Encrypted, compressed, password protected, and safe in our audited facility, and one where your CFO won't cringe at the cost.
That's all good, and it's important. We've achieved remote data storage, but that's not a complete plan, not by a long shot.
We actually build your IT infrastructure, not just the core software providers' applications, but all the servers that you say are critical. Of course, Unisys, IBM, HP, and EMC, but also Exchange servers, domain servers, and third-party applications.
It's not just a network of servers we've built relationships.
And a state-of-the-art facility to make it easy for our clients to continually test, retest, and prepare for successfully navigating disaster recovery. It's a command center where on any given day, a bank in St. Louis, or one in New Orleans, perhaps another in Phoenix, are here working with our staff, or via secure remote connection to get to that critical data.
But you might ask, who checks up on us? A lot of people, actually.
We know the FDIC and the OCC auditors very well, and our SAS 70 Type 2, and yes, we're HIPAA compliant. Some companies get nervous about these things. We see them as a confirmation that we're doing the right things. We've never failed an audit. It's a documentation of trust in what we do. Our facility is fully secured and can run on its own generator. We have fire suppression, firewalls that won't quit, secure card limited access, and audio and visual security. We have the IT covered, but that's only part of the reason we have that 100% success rate of getting businesses back up and running from a disaster. Because disasters aren't only about technical failure, they're about people. And the understanding that in a time of disaster, your staff will often need to be with their own families. You need help from outside the storm, from Baseline, from Burroughs. You need people you can trust.
We believe that perhaps the critical element in disaster recovery is the human element.
We've got a crazy fish outside our offices and handmade wood designs inside. The point? Our server rooms are sterile, but we are not. The truth is, you can never know exactly what form a disaster will take. So when a recovery requires imagination or creativity, we believe in thinking outside the clean little box. We are passionate about communication. In a disaster situation, it is paramount that communication is constantly facilitated. Our staff stands by 24/7. Our dogged objective is to get you back up and running, usually in just a few hours, and we won't stop until you are.
If you've had a typical IT experience, you'll know that's a different approach.
Burroughs. Baseline. It's a powerful disaster recovery partnership, one that sets your business up for success beyond some compliance standard. It's success that you can believe in.